of the DWR 930M packet router from D-Link. So up in front, we'll see here some specs, ano? So Wi-Fi hotspot up to 10 hours of usage, multi-user sharing up to 8 devices, and it supports nano SIM card. Okay, then on the side, free easy steps on how to install and configure. So actually yung packet router ni D-Link, plug and play lang yan. If you put any PH Telco SIM, it will automatically configure and connect to the mobile network, and you're good to go. So very simple. At the very back, wireless N for its Wi-Fi connectivity. Then 3000 milliamps of battery. Wow, so 3000 milliamps na pala to. Then of course 4G LTE. Very compact in design and maliit nga siya, no? Then it supports Type-C